After taking the character strengths test, my top 3 strengths are honesty, bravery, and social intelligence. Honesty and bravery belong to the virtue of courage, while social intelligence belongs to the virtue of humanity. The positive correlates to honesty as a positive mood, life satisfaction, openness to new experiences, empathy, conscientiousness, capacity for self actualization, agreeableness, emotional stability, and effort goal attainment. The positive correlates to bravery as prosocial orientation, internal locus of control, self efficacy, ability to delay gratification, tolerance for ambiguity, uncertainty, capacity to assess risk, capacity for reflection, involvement in socially worthy aims, and capacity to create and sustain high quality connections with others. The positive correlates to social intelligence is smooth social functioning, life judgment, lower levels of aggression, and lower incidence of substance abuse. While I was not surprised that I ranked high in honesty and bravery, I was a bit surprised with the social intelligence, because although I was a social butterfly as a child, I have grown into more of an introvert as an adult. I'm always honest, no matter the cost, and maybe sometimes too honest. As a child, I would even tell on myself if I did something wrong. In my new career of wildlife conservation, I will use my bravery in order to be a voice for the wildlife and stand up to the ones that may not understand the importance of conservation, as well as make connections with people that would be able to help progress in the cause of conservation. Thank you.